Diana Chen. Welcome to the Arier car refrigerator series. This series offers a variety of capacity options. Models include 20L, 30L, 40L, 50L, and 28L drawers. Meets diverse storage needs. Enclosed in a PP color-coded steel plate. Lightweight, yet durable. Some models feature spray-coated metal panels, wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, suitable for diverse environments. All models offer a wide temperature range of -18 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, can provide both refrigeration and freezing functions. Meet the freshness needs of a variety of items, including food, beverages, and medicine. We are committed to providing customized OEM services to customers worldwide. Our products are widely used in mobile applications, such as truck fleets, RVs, campsites, construction vehicles. They are trusted by our customers. Choosing Arier means choosing a stable and reliable car refrigeration solution.